Hey everyone, I'm starting a new playlist starting today called the Power BI service. And this is the first video in the playlist called What is Power BI service. So we'll go through the various components of the Power BI service and how to utilize the Power BI service as well. Let's start. So what is Power BI service? So Power BI service is a combination of services, apps, and connectors to get meaningful insights into your data. So you can use the Power BI service to analyze your data and to share the reports and dashboards that you've created. So to understand the Power BI service better, you basically need to look at the entire ecosystem of Power BI. And you can see here we've got the Power BI desktop, which is a free app which you can download onto your machine and build build reports. And you can do data analysis using that as well. And once you've built your reports, you can push it onto the web service, which is called the Power BI service. And you can also access it. So the report you've pushed to the Power BI service, you can also access it via the mobile app. And the end user can basically access this reports that have been created either via the Power BI desktop, via the web service, or the mobile app. Now, to share the content, you need to put it into the Power BI service and then share it with different users. So that's where the Power BI web service comes into play. You can also build reports, fairly basic, but most of the data modeling and DAX expression gets done at the Power BI desktop end. So this is just a quick overview of the Power BI service, which is a web service where you share your reports and you can build reports and dashboards. Power BI desktop is a desktop app which does the heavy lifting. And mobile app is where you can access the reports and dashboards you've created as well. You can consume it via any of them. But mostly if you want to share it with people who are in your organization, it's pretty cumbersome to keep sharing the Power BI desktop file. So you basically will upload it to some work area or workspace, and from there you will share it with people. It's a lot easier to manage the security as well. For example, if you push your Power BI file to other people, you don't know how they use it, how the data gets leveraged and accessed. But once you've got it into the Power BI web service, you can manage the control much more tightly. So just a quick overview of the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. I will take up additional videos on the Power BI service going forward. Please let me know if you would like me to cover any specific topic. Cheers, bye.